In this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to create menu. Before you can create a menu, you have pages. And I was demonstrating here. You will click on FAQs and contact and blah, blah. So it takes you to different pages. So, but I said this site that we have here, this wazobiastores.com, okay, doesn't have any, what's it called, any pages yet. So we're going to create pages first so that we'll use our pages as our menu links, okay? So to create new pages, in every site, if you look at this particular site I have here, I'll go back to the home. I have about, okay? I have how it works. These are all menu links. But let's see this kind of site. Let me see this one. There's this site I also have, just a moment. Luzoma. Okay, so this site now has home, has about us, has services, has products, has contact. When you click on about us, it takes you to the about us page of this site. Okay, you click on services, it takes you to the services page of this site. You click on products, just like that, contact, it takes you to the contact page of this site. So what we're going to do now, can you see this is contact page now of this site. We're going to add these pages, okay? For example, we'll follow like what we have here now, home, about us, services, products, contact, okay? So if I go to this place now, I'll go to pages and click add new pages. So I want to teach you now how to add pages in your website. I said go to pages in your dashboard, click on add new page. So you click on this, and when you click on that, you give that page, you give it a name. I'm allowing it to load the, okay. So give this page, it's asking me whether I want to use this editor. I can just say next, get started. So I give this page a name. For this one, I'll call it home. I say home, all right, just do this alone and click on publish and publish, okay? I have one page now, B. So I can also come back here and click on also add new. Okay, I want to add another page. We have home now. Yeah, so let's put about us now. About us. And then we publish and publish. Okay. So this is about us page. And then we also go back to our WordPress and click on add new here. And then what's the next? We have services. In these services, I'm going to do something, okay? We have services here. So I'll write the name of the page, services. But if you look at these services here, it has a drop down. I have other menus listed inside services. Okay. So how do I now add all these ones? I want to add all services, software development, mobile app. So let's see what we'll do now. So go to add new. What do we have there? All services. So these are all, because if you click on all services here now, it will take you to another page because this is our services. If you click on website development and hosting, it takes you to another page as well. So these are all pages here. So I want to add all services. Please quickly, all services. all services, and then publish. You must always click on publish. If you don't want to publish, you can save it as a draft that you publish later. So I can just click add new page here without going that way again. So what do we have here? Website development and hosting. Website development and hosting. Okay, so publish and publish. Which one do we have again? Software development. So I can add a new this in here and say software development. Okay, so these are pages. Okay, publish again. Let me take the last one. Mobile app development. I'll just take this and stop. Mobile app development. So I add a new mobile app development here. Mobile app space development. And then I'll publish it. Okay, we just add contact, or I'll add contact us here. Another page again. Contact us, publish. And then add the final one. Maybe FAQs, FAQs, as in frequently asked questions. Publish. Okay, so if we go to our pages here now, where's pages? You notice that we have several pages here. Okay, this home, we didn't get to give the name, we didn't save it. Let me add a name and save it, please. Edit it and then say home. So it's supposed to be home. So we'll update it. Now, instead of publishing, now we're updating because it's already existing before now. Okay. Okay, so if we go back again and check our all pages now, see that we have list of pages available in our site. But what the reason I want to added them first, because I want to use them to create our menu. Okay, I want to use these things to create our menu, because if you want to create a menu without having pages, you have difficulties knowing how to create that menu. What I mean by menu is this menu bar here, this kind of thing here. These are all the first list in the menu, but you have sub menus, services. These are all listed in the sub menu. Okay, so we're going to know how to do this one as well. Okay, so we'll go to this place now. For us to add the menu now, we go to appearance and click on menus. Okay, this is how to add a menu in WordPress. Appearance, and you go to menus. Please don't forget it. And it's good for us to give our menu a name. So I can call it main menu. Okay, if you like, I can call it main. If like, whatever you like, I can call it. So the name of our menu is main, and I'm going to make it the main menu. I'll click on this. I'll check it. So display location, I say main menu. So that will be the menu that will be displaying in the main part of that's something like this. Okay, so we'll go to main now, and once we do that, first of all I say give it a name. Number two, I said if you want it to be a footer, which we're going to learn also later, want to make it a footer, you can make it a footer. Want to make it to be a top bar. If it's at this moment what we're looking at is main. Create menu, please. That's the process. Appearance, menus, type the name of the menu, select what display location where to display this menu, and then you click on create menu. So you can see now they're active. Can you see they're active now? So I'll come here and say select all. Select all. And once all is selected, now say add to menu. Okay. So it's adding this menu for me now. So if I say save menu, all right, save menu. So let's go back to our site and get it back. Wazobia stores.com.ng. Let's see what it looks like now. Can you see we have a menu now on our site? FAQ, contact us, mobile, blah, blah, but it's not supposed to be like this. Okay, so we're going to rearrange it, okay? But we've been able to establish a menu in our website, all right? Then the menu has all these pages inside. So we're going to arrange it the way it should be, okay? So let's go back to the menu here, okay? Very simple. If I was writing a code, I would have used code to write this, but I'm not writing a code now. So you see how it's easy for us to create a menu now by clicking on commands. As we're clicking on commands now, our menu is being formed. Okay. Remember, I told you the menu is not arranged. If you look at this man's own, home is first, about us is coming next, services coming third, products, contact, and all that. Then you have the ones listed under the services. But in our own, everything is all in the same line. So what we do is to go to our WordPress again, and for us to arrange this, just click your mouse on the one that you want to carry, move it all the way up. Can you see? I've moved home up now. Let's save this one and see. Now home is up, Abi. So let's refresh this site. Can you see home is number one now? Okay. So we can go again, and in the other side, about us is the next thing. So I drag it and bring in about us here. Okay. Then what's the next thing there? Services. So I go to services now. Bring services here. So if I save it, okay. If I save that and sleep. Okay, so we have saved what the changes we made now. If you go to refresh this man, you see that the menu has been rearranged for us. It's taking some time though. Okay, look at it. Home, about us. Okay, we're supposed to have services first. So we have services, not also. We have to have services, please. Services. And what's the next thing? What's the next thing? I'd floating this in. What's the next thing? This month's own services. We have frequently asked questions, and then contact us. So I'll save it. So what about these ones? See here under services, you have all services and all the rest of them. What do? Look at services here. So I carry this man now, go this way, put it here, put it a little away from this. Can you see? Then I go to mobile app, just something like this. Oh, sorry, drag it. Okay, software development, drag it this way. Website development, drag it this way, and save. Okay. See you in the next class.